Ay,
Hindi naman nakagawas din. Hindi naman dito. Kadalanan, pagkaon sa bula, yung nabila.
ay, sorry.
Carrying a lamp through the corridors of military hospitals, tending to the injured throughout the night. Because of her unwavering commitment to service, Florence Nightingale became known throughout the world as the Lady with the Lamp. Today, her legacy continues to illuminate the path of every nurse who answers the call to serve humanity with competence, compassion, and selfless dedication. As Florence Nightingale makes her way down the aisle, carrying the lighted lamp, we are reminded that the flame she bears represents the enduring spirit of nursing, a spirit of caring, sacrifice, healing, and hope. It symbolizes the light of knowledge that dispels ignorance, the light of compassion that comforts those in suffering, and the light of service that guides nurses in fulfilling their sacred duty to others. This flame will be used to light the ceremonial lamp at the center of our gathering. From this lamp, the light will be shared with our student nurses, signifying the passing of the ideals, values, and responsibilities of the nursing profession from one generation to the next. Each lamp is lighted, may serve as a reminder that nursing is more than a profession. It is a calling. It is a commitment to uphold the highest standards of care, to advocate for those who are vulnerable, and to bring comfort and healing whether one's service is needed. Today, our student nurses stand at the threshold of a new chapter in their journey. The light they are about to receive symbolizes the beginning of their clinical experiences, where knowledge meets practice, where skills are refined through service, and where compassion is transformed into meaningful action. May this flame forever inspire them to pursue excellence, demonstrate integrity, and embody the values of faith, service, and love in every patient encounter. And one compassionate heart and one dedicated nurse can make a profound difference in the lives of many. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now come to the highlight of the whole program.
Rosaline Lagil Ax. Sumugay Ali Cory. Soroche Kian Rose Abeliana. Pagubase Meraline Madronero. Talim Reina Gray Zaragoza.
Ano na wait? Hello.